Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna be talking all about a new style from MZ Wallace, this mini Crosby backpack. It has been a while since I have purchased or even have wanted to purchase a backpack. I'm not sure what it is, but I've just kind of been more of a tote person these past, gosh, I don't know, a couple of years, I feel like. I don't remember the last time that I bought a backpack, but when MZ Wallace released this cute little backpack, I knew that it would be the perfect bag for like spring and especially going into these summer months. And you guys know I'm a sucker for denim. Like anything denim, I am at least entertaining because I just love it, like especially for summer. And this backpack took me an entire 0.2 seconds to pack up as soon as I unboxed it. I opened it and I was like, oh yeah, this is as good as I thought it was going to be. So this here is the Crosby, or the mini Crosby backpack in the true blue denim, which is their denim launch for summer, if you will. If you guys remember from last year, I have actually the small Sutton and a couple of other things in their, in another denim. I'm not sure what the actual name of it is, but it is a lighter colored denim. And this darker denim is kind of what they've launched for this year. So they have this cute little backpack and they have a couple of other bags and some accessories that kind of go with this true blue denim. But if denim is not your jam, they have this backpack in their beautiful magnet and classic black in that like metro material. And I do think that that would actually be really awesome on this backpack. I'm kind of wanting to get it in the magnet because I love the way that this backpack packs so much that I know that in like that really classic metro material, it would be so, so good. But I have it here, like I said, in the denim, and I've been carrying it for about a week or so since I got it, and I love it. I am back on the backpack train and I think it's just so easy to carry. I'm excited to kind of travel with it this summer. I think it would be the perfect like minimalistic hands-free type carry. So let's kind of go through this one. I'll try it on for you, and then of course we're gonna pack it up. We're gonna go ahead and start actually with the back of the backpack, just because there's not a whole heck of a lot going on back here. You don't have any pockets, no hidden side pockets, no bottom pocket here, right? That's not a pocket. No, I was correct. No bottom pocket there on the bottom or anything like that. And then you do have these webbed kind of seatbelt straps that are easily adjustable. They are very, very long. So if you are taller, I don't think this backpack would be a problem at all. This piece right here at the top is leather. And then of course this is like the classic like seatbelt straps. So that here is the back of the backpack. The straps are sewn into the bag, so you cannot remove them. It is a classic backpack. There is pretty much only one way that you can carry it, and it is by the backpack straps on the back of the bag. But you could also carry it by this chain strap that comes with the bag here. There are two little hooks kind of on the side of the bag, one there and one here, which are awesome to attach the strap to. Or if you wanted to attach a different strap that was a little bit longer, I imagine you could wear this as a crossbody or like a longer messenger carry if you wanted to. But this is a really cute kind of drop length that you can wear over like your shoulder if you wanted to wear it like this. It's a little bit tight. I don't know that I personally would wear it like this, but if you needed like a little grab and go type situation with this bag, you do have that strap. But I do think it's kind of more for like looks than functionality in my opinion. But like I said, I do think you could attach another strap onto here if you wanted an additional way to carry this backpack. I plan on attaching like a bunch of different charms and stuff on here too, because I think it would just be so cute. One of my only complaints I think I have about this backpack, if I had any at all, would be that it does not have a grab handle at the top of the bag. I have often just over this past week have gone to want to like grab the top of this backpack, and there's nothing for me to really grab onto. So I find myself just kind of grabbing the top of it, which is fine. I'm just being picky, like the bag connoisseur that I am. But I would have liked to have had just a little type of grab handle here at the top of the backpack. But going through all of the pockets on the front of this bag, you do have a few exterior ones, which I think makes this a really great kind of everyday or travel backpack. You have this big pocket here in the front of the bag, and you also have a little zip pocket here. So inside this front pocket, you don't have anything as far as any like key leashes or organization. It's just an open pocket, and same with this one here. And then on the side, you also have 2 more pockets, which is the perfect size for like hand sanitizer or your keys or things that you need to grab like more quickly. Opening up the main part of this backpack, you do have a buckle kind of magnetic closure here that you can undo, and it opens up the main drawstring part of this backpack. And this drawstring is really tight. It's very secured. You could knot it here if you were concerned about someone having the ability to open it on you or something like that. But I think that it is very secure, especially with that extra flap that goes over top. The bag opens up nice and big, and you have an interior zip pocket in the back as well as over here on the front of the bag. And then you also have the little pouch here that comes with the bag and the leash that it's attached to there, which you'll be able to see exactly what fits inside this bag and those pockets whenever I pack it up. Before we pack it up, I did want to go ahead and try it on for you so that you can see kind of what it looks like against the body, because I know especially with smaller backpacks, it's really hard to tell how big they are online unless somebody is like actually trying them on. I have this almost on, I mean, I still have some room to make it longer, and it is laying a little bit low on me. So again, I'm like 5 foot nothing for size reference. So I am quite short. Just kind of keep in mind if you're like looking at this here, and it's really, really comfortable to carry. This is what it looks like on the back of me here. If I were to pull it up maybe a little bit more, let's lay down flat there. This here is kind of what the backpack looks like whenever you're wearing it. I think it's super, super cute leading into summer. All right, now that we've chatted all about this backpack, let's go ahead and put the camera down so that I can show you how I like to pack it up. All right, so here's the backpack all packed up. You'll have to excuse the spot that I'm recording in. I'm upstairs in my bathroom because I have a house full of children, but I would not have it any other way. But this is what we have to work with whenever that happens. So hopefully the sound isn't too like weird and echoey because I am in a bathroom. But anyways, here is the backpack all packed up. It's pretty much how I have been carrying it like since I've gotten it and since I've been using it. I'll go ahead and start with these outside pockets like I always do. Up here in this front pocket, I just have the things that I use pretty much the most. I have this Tarte lip gloss, if you will. I can link the color. I don't think anybody really cares, but this one is like a shift. I don't know what that means, but basically it is like a very bright pink kind of for summer, and I've been liking that one, and my dog got it. Love that. Anyways, so I have that in there. This is tried and true. You guys see this in a lot of my videos. This is my Clarity Daily Dose Lip Treatment, and this stuff is literally heaven whenever my lips, if I could get it to focus there, whenever my lips are super, super chapped, which is all the time in the summertime. It has a, like this type of an applicator. I've put color on it before, so it's kind of colored there. But anyways, I cannot recommend it enough. You guys see it in like all my videos. And then I have a hand cream down here. This is by EOS, and it is the Vanilla Cashmere. That is so good. It's been another favorite. So that's what I have in this front pocket here. Oh, I did want to grab my cell phone because I know that will be a question that I wanted to show you guys. I took off, I have this little MagSafe kind of phone grippy thing that I love, but I took it off my phone. It does not fit in that front pocket, not in any way, shape, or form. It's too wide, and obviously it's too tall. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I think, a couple iPhones ago. So maybe the regular size iPhone does, but the Max one definitely does not. So just for reference, because I know a lot of you might ask me on that one. Over here on this side pocket, oh, I just have my little Nordstrom charm. I put it on a lot of my bags. I like that one. But I have that attached over here. And I have my Touchland hand sanitizer. I did have this in a little like Crocs case, and I attached it on here. You could do that obviously also, but it fits perfectly inside here. This is a great pocket also for gum. I had a big pack of gum in there earlier. So tissues, that kind of stuff. Pill case would be good over there. And then over here in this one, I actually just have my keys. So I have my car key, I have my little leather keychain, and then I have all the keys in my life attached on there. So all of that fit there in that side pocket. The inside of the bag here, you have one magnetic little clasp here, and then you have the drawstring. And at the end of the drawstring, you have these little kind of weighted metal pieces, which I think is pretty cool. And like I kind of mentioned earlier in my video, you can double knot this or like tie it just so it has that little bit extra level of security if you're gonna travel with this backpack, which is what I might do over the summer. We have a couple of Europe adventures planned that I think it would be really good at. See how, I can't even get it open. There we go. Okay, so inside this bag here, it opens up nice and wide, and this here is what it looks like in all its glory. I love the way it packs up. It can easily hold a water bottle if you needed it to, as far as the actual size of it. This is just everything I have inside. I'll just, I guess, just start pulling things out. Sitting right here on top. Now, this is a smaller wallet, but because of the way everything is kind of positioned in here, and I have a couple things in this front pocket, it makes for like this little cavity, and my wallet just kind of sits there. So it never really sinks down at the bottom. If I wanted to push everything back really far, I could shimmy it down in there, but I grab for it all the time, so it just kind of hangs out right there at the top. And this is a Coach wallet, and has little cherries on top of it. This is their like loved denim line, but it has a spot for your ID and cards and cash, and then you have like a change spot or a thing for receipts over here. So I like this wallet. I've been in it a good little bit now. So I have that kind of right there on top. And then I also have, attached here to this like key leash, I guess, if you will, I have this little pouch, and it actually holds my earbuds and its charging cable, but I took them out downstairs and they're charging on the counter, but that's what I typically keep in here. I love this, especially for summer. I have this one, and I also have this cute one. I actually just had it hanging on here because I thought it looked really cute, but this is just a little lemon charm, and then this actually has a functional purpose. This is a pouch. Like I said, it holds my earbuds and the charging cable, but I have them charging right now, so they're out of here. But how cute is that? So cute. I love it. So have that in there. Then I also have right here next to it, inside the bag, my eyeglass case from Hobo. This holds my sunglasses as well as my eyeglasses, and it goes with me all the time. Then I have this pouch here from Rifle Paper Co. I did a little unboxing video of this one, I think over on Instagram, and a lot of you loved these. But this is the smaller of the two. There's this one, and then there's like a bigger one. They come in a set of two. But inside, I just have my hair tie. I have tissues. I have my, like, I'm calling this like my summer scent perfume. It's so good. I don't know which one. I can't pronounce what this one is, but I will link the exact one so that you guys can check it out if you want. But a little wild deodorant, case, you guys have seen all that kind of stuff is just inside. Nail file. It's like all of my little cosmetic things inside here. Then the only other things in like the middle of the backpack is my Kindle case. And I have been trying so hard to get back into reading on my Kindle because, like I mentioned, we have a ton of traveling coming up, and this is just the way to go when you travel. I mean, obviously you can burn through books on this thing, but I am such a like have to hold my book read person. Like I love an actual book so much that it's just so hard for me to get into the Kindle, but I'm trying, and I'm sure in a couple weeks I'll be like, you know, in it just fine. But this fits in so many bags, like with it being so small and compact. So I have that, and then I have the planner I've been using. And you guys might remember the planner that I shared that was like bright yellow. It was the same size of this one, made by the same company. Got it on Amazon. The other one I got at Barnes & Nobles. I think they sell it like at both places. But this has been so perfect. It is like such a basic planner. It is small, it's compact, and it's like everything I need it to be. And it's cheap. It's like not that expensive at all. I don't remember, but it was definitely not an expensive planner. There's a little pocket back here. You have 2 little bookmarks. And then let me show you kind of what one looks like without showing you all my personal stuff here. Do I have anything not written in? Hold on, let me look back here. In the earlier months when I didn't have the planner. Okay, there we go. So every single month looks, oh, it's kind of dark. Is it hard to see in here? But that is the month at a glance. And then you also have every single week. You have a blank sheet of paper, and then you have every single day over here. And that's the entire planner. And it's just awesome because I can like plan out my week, and then I have all of my to-do lists and all the things, all the sticky notes, everything lives here. It's just, it's awesome. I love it. So that's what I have. I carry it with me everywhere. And then that is pretty much it inside this backpack. I don't have anything in this back zipper pocket except for the little tiny pouch that came with the bag. I just have that shimmy down in there. But you have another pocket and a big pocket. And then over here in this one, it mirrors the same exact thing. It's really, really deep. I just have a couple of snacks, a little Built Bar thrown down in there. But you also have 2 pockets here. So you wouldn't even need to put pouches in here. You could literally use these 2 pockets for everything. And that's it. I mean, it is such a good summer backpack. 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful if you guys were curious about this new mini Crosby backpack from MZ Wallace. I absolutely love it and highly, highly recommend for the summer. If you have any questions or comments at all, please feel free to leave those down below. I will have the backpack as well as everything that I have packed inside linked down there as well. But if you can't find something, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.